Hey guys, we're here today to talk about common bonds and what the difference of them is and why we choose Malarkey roofing products. First off, what is a common bond? So a common bond is where you're going to have this piece of shingle here with the tab is all one piece. This bottom is another piece. The common bond is the area that bonds these two together. So it's back here, you can see this area? It's where they're bonded together. So that is your common bond area. So one thing that manufacturers do like to put on their shingles, you can see here in the new one, are knelling zones. So if we went and measured everybody's knelling zone, it's like the Malarkey shingle measures out at 1.75 inches. We've got competitor A at inch and a half, competitor B also at an inch and a half. Now if we go over to the common bonds, what I'm using on the common bond to measure that is I'm going to the bottom of the tab because the next shingle will line up on this tab. So we're going from the bottom of the tab to where the top meets right here for the common bond, and that will be our measurement. So for this one, you can see got 1.75 inches for the Malarkey. For the Tamco, we've got a 1 inch, and for the Certainteed, we've got a 1 inch. So what does this mean? This means that their common bonds are this much bigger, where your roofing crew can put them in this area, and it will be to manufacturer specifications, but the problem will be it'll only be nailed to the top of this. So what could happen is, say, a wind comes, and then what you'll see on your roof is just these, and you'll see a bunch of these in your yard. That is because the nails weren't going through the bottom one. It's still in their nailing line, but it doesn't go through both layers. That is the difference in common bonds and why Malarkey is a much better shingle.